Tala Falava, kia ora ana, Bula Vanaka, and welcome to Village Knockout! This is a game where two teams battle it head-to-head in 2 mini-game rounds. The one who wins the most games wins it all, but if we somehow tiebreaker at the end, we go to a sudden death. Dun, dun, dun. Without further ado, let us meet our contestants for today.
Talo Falava, watching the show Wayno. We are from Samoa, and I'm a dancer.
Talo Falava, my name is James, and I have no voice.
Talo Falava, my name is Enric, representing Pago Pago, and I like long walks on the beach.
Talo Falava, my name is 2S4 from Pago, and I love to drink chocolate milk.
Oh, no vanilla, chocolate. Okay, round 1 is called Wrap It Up. In this game, each player raps a line, and the next player begins their line with the last 2 words of the previous line. What's the BPM you want?
Medium.
Yeah.
Medium.
That's perfect. That's perfect.
Yeah.
Late night cruising, I'm going on a drive.
I'm going on a drive with my wife.
Got.
Hey, it's all right. That is 1 point to Team Samoa. Are we ready? I'll slow down the beat. Nah, let's keep it normal.
Let's go.
I thought I'd be long, but I was wrong.
But I was wrong, and then I thought.
Then I thong on the King Kong.
On the King Kong, that's why I'm rapping this song.
I'm rapping this song because I'm from Hong Kong.
Because I'm from Hong Kong, I got the tongs.
I got the tongs to get the wrongs.
Second point goes to Samoa. So we have 2, and you're yet to be on the scoreboard, but it's all right.
Don't worry.
Chilling from Moana, we all from the Pacific.
We all from the Pacific. Oh, it's so horrific.
Oh, it's so horrific. Damn, it's terrific.
Damn, it's terrific. I'm gonna cricket.
I'm gonna cricket 684 on a rific.
64 on the river. Wow, this specific.
No.
Sorry, hey. Okay, so what happened?
You messed it up. Yeah, man. You lost your breath.
Because Samoa has gotten 3-0, they can't really come back from that. So that means the winner for round 1 is Samoa. And round 2 is a game that I like to call a pop-off. Round of applause. In this game, I will place an object in front of the contestants. They are then to try and create the object in whatever way they see fit, except for its intended use. Done. Go!
Nice.
Ta! Point! Nice!
Point.
Fishing rod! Point! I like!
So how do you think this game show is going tonight?
Point!
Oh, it's going great, man. It's going great.
To press! I like point!
Go!
It's like putting it in your mouth, eh? Here, press. Point.
Ahoy there!
And there's a telescope. There's a point. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, something. 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, the second object. Go! And he jumped.
Sorry, bring your bike. Flip the switch. And I'm your lady.
It's a siren.
Wait, what are you
Siren.
On a siren.
It's a siren.
On his siren.
On my bike. My siren on the bike.
Half a point.
Have a point.
Oh, yeah. Yes, what's the point?
Let's go.
Now that's what you call a Harry Potter reference. Point.
Gryffindor.
That's the same
Next point. Wait.
20 seconds left. Oh, we already had you. Oh, no. Yes. Point. Use your telescope.
Come on.
3,
It's okay.
2.
Yeah, man. It's looking good, mate.
Oh, yeah. Side around. This is the prop. 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah.
Oh, boom, Mike. Point. 20 seconds seconds left. This is the fifth Qatar we've seen at this prop off.
Get up.
I will not accept it. No, Lloyd. No more doing the ones that we did before. Oh! You're so lonely. That's a point.
Come on.
Ile mamalo mo na pa.
Yes.
9. Oh, that's the point. 5, 4, 3, point. Last 5 seconds.
Everybody come in, let's take a selfie.
Yeah! That is a point. Well done, ladies and gentlemen.
That was tight.
Today's winners is Samoa. Come and take your prize. Thank you. Team. Join us next week as we have another round of Village Knockout. Let's go!